Back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason TikTok is not showing you your followers. So maybe it's not showing an accurate number of your following or your followers. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, but if it's not showing you somebody who actually follows you, well, that could be completely different. Maybe they unfollowed you or maybe something like that. But if all these numbers are zero or something is inaccurate, the very first thing I'd recommend doing in this specific case is to make your way over to your app store just like this. You want to go and click on the search button down here and you want to go ahead and search up TikTok. So here's TikTok right here. And all you want to do is update this application. So you can see I have an update available right here. All you will want to do is go and click on update. And what will happen is this specific application will go ahead and update and it will be on its latest version of software. There can be some random issues within TikTok where some reason the app doesn't work properly or anything. The best thing to do in that specific case is to update the app, and that's really all you have to do. Now, for some reason that doesn't work, the next thing I'd recommend doing is double checking and making sure TikTok isn't actually down. So what this means is sometimes TikTok can actually go down randomly, and sometimes all you will have to do basically is make your way over to websites like downdetector.com. So you can go ahead and go to some website like this. And what this website will allow you to do is actually go ahead and see if any, TikTok or any of these applications are down. You can see Instagram may be down temporarily. You'll sometimes see TikTok up here too. And all you have to do is go ahead and see if it's down. You can also make your way over to the comment section of this video and see if it's down. And that will probably be the most likely scenario of why you're getting this specific error. Most of the time, this is all you'll have to do. And if it's down, you'll just have to wait. Now, if that doesn't work, another thing people recommend is to actually go ahead and refollow or unfollow and refollow certain people. If they're not showing up, you can go ahead and try that. You can also try logging out of TikTok, going through with it, or you can also delete the TikTok application and reinstall it too. So those are some ways to go and fix this. Most of the time TikTok is down though, so you're probably going to have to wait regardless. If you have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.